everyone! Welcome to Strum and Soul Bike Lesson, and today I'll be teaching you how to start your ukulele journey in simple and fun way. So, if you're a beginner, then don't worry, this video is for you. Are you guys ready? But first, let me introduce you the ukulele. So, this is a ukulele. It's an instrument that's small and has 4 strings. And this instrument also can create calm and sweet sounds. So basically, it's perfectly fit for the beginners because it's easily to learn and play. Let's proceed now to the parts of ukulele. So before we start strumming, let's get to know the parts of ukulele. So first, this is the neck, and also this is the body, and this is the headstock. So in the headstock, we have 4 white circles here, and this is called peg. So yung peg, ginagamit siya pang tono ng ating instrument or ng ating ukulele. So ginagamit siya kapag halimbawa yung ukulele mo is wala sa tono, nasobrahan, or kulang. So ito yung ginagamit pang tono sa mga strings instrument, especially sa gitara, sa violin, or any other na merong peg. And also, this is the fretboard. So, ito yung ginagamit pang press ng ating fingers para, syempre, kagawa tayo ng chords. Nakuha niyo ba? So, tapos na tayo sa parts ng ukulele. Ngayon naman, punta naman tayo sa kung paano nga ba tinutono yung ukulele. So, ukulele standard tuning, we have 4. It is the G, C, E, and A. So, ito yung 4 notes or parang name ng bawat string para alam natin kung ano ba yung itutono natin. Guidelines, ganun. So, when it comes naman sa pagtutono ng ukulele, pwede tayong gumamit ng apps sa cellphone, yung guitar tuner. And also, pwede din yung pag nakabili tayo ng bagong ukulele, meron silang sinasamang clip tuner doon. So, parang easy tuning na lang tayo. So, So, yung purpose ng pagtutune ng ukulele is para hindi lang wala lang. Pero, ang purpose nito is para maging maayos yung tune, yung tono ng instrument natin. Para pag tumugtog tayo, maging maganda siya yung tono nung tugtugin natin kasi nasa right tune siya, natuwa din siya ng maayos. Now, let's learn a few basic chords. So, chords is a building block of almost every song. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan muna nating malaman yung mga basic chords para syempre makagawa or makatugtog tayo ng kanta gamit ang instruments o yung ating ukulele instrument. So, now, I'll teach you and show you some basic chords of ukulele. So, first one, we have the A major. So, gagawin natin yung middle finger natin, ilagay natin siya sa 2nd fret, 1st string, and then yung ating index finger naman, ilagay natin siya sa 1st fret, 2nd string. Katulad na ito. Yan. So, ito yung A major. Ngayon naman yung ating A minor. So, yung A minor is madali lang. Yung ating middle finger, ilagay natin siya sa 2nd fret, 1st string. Yan. Katulad na ito. So, yan yung ating A minor. A minor, and then A major. Then, yung pangatlo naman nating basic chords is F. Ang gagawin natin is yung ating middle finger, ilagay natin siya sa 2nd fret, 1st string. Katulad kanina. Then, yung ating namang index finger, ilagay natin siya sa 1st fret, 3rd string. Tulad yan. So, ito yung F. So, we have A minor, A major, and F. So, ito yung tatlong basic chords. And then, yung pang-apat naman is D. Ang gawin naman sa D, yung ating 3 fingers, ilalagay natin siya sa 2nd fret, 1st, 2nd, 3rd strings. Ganito. Okay, yung tatlong finger natin, lagay din siya dito sa 2nd fret. Pero sa 1st, 2nd, and then 3rd string lang. So, ganito siya. Like this. Pagkakasya natin siya sa tatlong string. So, So, yun yung pang-apat na basic chords. Yung pang-lima naman is G. So, sa G naman, ilagay natin yung index finger natin sa second fret, second string. Then, yung ating middle finger, ilagay natin siya sa second fret, fourth string. Yung ating namang ring finger, ilagay natin siya sa third fret, third string. Kaya gumagawa tayo ng diamond style. Kita niyo ba? Diamond style. So, yung lastly is yung pinakamadali, yung C. Yung C natin, gamitin natin yung ating ring finger. Yung ring finger natin, ilagay natin siya sa third fret, fourth string. Ganito lang. O, yan yung pinakamadaling chords na ukulele. Ulitin natin, we have A major, A minor, F, the G, the D, and C. So, yan yung basic chords ng ukulele. So, I hope na nakuha nyo and then nag-gets nyo yung positions ng mga fingers. So, halimbawa, gawin natin siya sa chords natin. Yung chords natin na gagamitin is yung G, A, and C. Okay, ito yung tunog and yung style ng pattern niya. O, diba? Isa lang siya, pero madali. And now guys, it's time naman para gamitin natin siya sa pagtugtog ng kanta. Okay, gaglamit lang tayo na 4 basic chords. Yung C, G, A minor, and then F. So, start natin sa dito. That's all guys. Thank you for watching and may you learn and enjoy this tutorial of mine. And also before we end it, let's remember that learning an instrument takes patience and practices. So don't rush things. Enjoy every step, every strums, and every sounds because it is part of our learning.